Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Science textbook of class 3. Textbook page number 12. Today we will start unit 2, health and safety. In this lesson we will learn about how we take care of our health and what are the measures of safety that we should follow to keep ourselves safe. So these are the measures we should follow to keep ourselves safe, and all other we will study in this lesson in detail. So let's start. Recall. We should be aware of the danger when we are near animal or water. We should wash our hands before eating and drinking. We should be careful when using machines and electricity. Similarly, loud noises can damage our hearing, and very bright lights can damage our sight. So we should take care of all these things. You will learn that we need to look after our bodies. We need to look after our bodies. Healthy living requires eating a balanced diet, keeping clean, getting a good night's sleep, and exercising regularly. Food is classified into basic food groups. Accident can be avoided if we think and act sensibly. An adult should be called in an emergency. So these are all the topics or measures that we will study in detail in this lesson. So let's start. Machines work better for longer if they are looked after properly. Machines that are not used for a long time becomes rusty. Your body is like a machine. So in what they want to say that अगर machines जो हैं उनको काफ़ी टाइम तक यूज़ ना किया जाए या उनकी टेक केयर ना किया जाए तो वो भी ख़राब हो जाती हैं. एंड आवर बॉडी इज़ लाइक अ मशीन बट इट कैन मेंट itself. If you cut yourself, the wound will be soon healed if it kept clean. To keep the body working well, we have to look after it properly. Good food, plenty of exercise, fresh air, enough sleep, and clean habits all help the body to last a long time. So we should follow all these things: good food, plenty of exercise, fresh air, enough sleep, and clean habits. Follow the clean habits will make our life healthy. Now on next textbook page number 13. Next topic is exercise. Exercise makes the bones and muscles strong. It also leads to better health and it makes people feel good. Some exercises such as walking and playing in the ground requires little effort. Other exercises such as running, playing sports or swimming fast is more vigorous. It makes our heart, lungs, muscles work harder. It should aim to be a range of different activities to work our bodies and keep it fit. Next is what is good food. Now next they will tell us that what kind of good foods we have to eat and what is balanced diet. We need to eat a balanced diet to stay healthy. A balanced diet is eating a wide variety of foods in the right amount and having the right amount of food and drink to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight. Here is a guide to the amount of bread, rice, grains, meat, fish, nuts and eggs, milk and dairy products, fruit and vegetables, and fats and sugars we should eat. So here they tell us what amount of which kind of food we eat on daily basis. So in this proportion of food we have to eat fruits and vegetables daily basis. In this proportion of food we have to eat grains, cereals or potatoes on daily basis. In this proportion of food we have to eat meat, fish, and all meat products like nuts and eggs. And in this proportion of food we have to drink dairy products, and this proportion we have to eat fats and sugars. Now here is the little concept based activity. What food would you serve to provide a balanced diet for the 3 meals of one day? Make a list and then compare your list with your classmates. ऑलराइट दैट आपने जो 3 टाइम्स मील लेना होता है उसकी आपने राइट अमाउंट लिखनी है, एंड देन कंपेयर योर लिस्ट विद योर क्लासमेट्स दैट हाउ मच बैलेंस्ड डाइट यू हैव ईट इन आवर डे. Next, on page number 14, topic is sleep and rest. Your body and your brain need to rest. When we sleep well, we feel fresh. An 8-year-old usually needs about 10 hours of sleep every night. If you don't get enough sleep, your body and your brain can be affected. You may feel grumpy, unable to concentrate, and not have much energy. So that's why we should take much sleep. Okay, next is staying safe. The world around us is a pleasant place, but it can be dangerous too. It is important for us to look carefully before we do anything and think before we act. For example, fireworks are beautiful to look at, but they can cause many injuries. You spend most of your time at home, in school, on your street, or in a playground. Let us look at the dangers in these places. So now we will discuss how the things could be dangerous for us where we are staying, either it is home, it is our school, it is playground, or anywhere else. So first one is at home. Electricity is very useful. It gives us light and heat. It makes many things work. Electricity is very powerful and electric shock can kill a human. That is why all electrical machines and wires are covered by plastic. Electricity cannot pass through plastic. Never place liquid near electrical machines. As you can see in this picture, never use electrical appliances near water. As you can see in this picture, so don't use electrical appliances near the water. Now on next page number 15, there are many sharp instruments in the home. They have a purpose. Use them carefully. Never run with them or leave them lying around. Like these things: bulb, electric wires, scissors, and matchbox. In the kitchen, go near the stove. Keep clear of food that is cooking. Boiling water can burn the skin. Hot oil can cause bad burns. Never play with razors, glass, or medicines. So never play with these things. And in the bathroom, be careful of slippery floors, as you can see in this picture. Now at school, bad behavior leads to many accidents. This is why there are school rules. Follow the rules and you will not hurt yourself or others. As you can see in this picture, do not throw things in class. Do not climb on the desk. Use school equipment carefully. So this was students our lesson in the video 1. Remaining lesson will be discussed in the next video. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.